Pleasant morning, children. Happy to see you all again. Today, we are going to recall the remaining topics in chapter 1, that is nutrition in plants. So far, we have learned up to the autotroph, and today we are going to start from the heterotroph. Photosynthesis takes place in other organisms like algae. If you see an algae, it bears the green color pigment called chlorophyll. With the help of the chlorophyll, this algae perform the photosynthesis process. Nitrogen is converted into the usable form for the plants by soil bacteria. So the nitrogen, it is not directly used by the plants. So they seek the help of the bacteria, and this bacteria converts the atmospheric nitrogen into the usable form. This soluble nitrogen helps the plant to make proteins, which is the other food component. Plant uses the different constituents to produce proteins and fat. And next, there are the plants that do not contain chlorophyll and which falls under the category heterotrophic. Some plants become parasite and on the other host plant to get the nutrients from the host. So some plants they depend on the other plant for their food. They get the nutrient from the host plant. For example, it is cuscuta and the other name it is amarble. And next category it is about insectivorous plant which depends on the insect for getting the constituents for the preparation of the food. So here it is partially heterotrophic and partially autotroph. And next is about the saprotrophs. Mushrooms comes under this category. They possess the type of a heterotrophic nutrient where they have to depend on dead and decaying substance for their nutrients. So this category it is called as saprotrophs. Organisms that live together and share the shelter and nutrients are said to be symbiotic relationship, which mutually shares their shelter and nutrients. For example, it is lichen. In lichen, the both algae and fungus it is in the symbiotic relationship. The algae it produce the food that they can synthesize the food with the help of the chlorophyll, and fungus they provide the shelter. So this is a example for symbiotic relationship. And next, manure and fertilizers are added to the soil by the farmers. So this replenish the soil with the nutrients, and this provide the necessary nutrient for the plant. Thank you, children.